Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, head currency analyst John Kibler. In this video we're going to be taking a look at Euro Kiwi, but before I jump over to this chart, I just want to highlight the makeup of this chart at the moment by taking a look at the major currency pairs, okay, and why I'm looking for a potential move to the upside on the Euro Kiwi. Now, yes, Euro is back down at this one sort of 12 area, but until it takes out this very low around about the 111.75, the market is back at structure lows. And what typically we could see is the market take a short-term bounce from here back towards that 113 level. Okay, so euro dollar is at an area where we could see a little bit of a bounce. Now, if we take a look at Kiwi dollar underneath, you can see that we've broken to the downside out of this consolidation pattern. The market came and retested those structure lows that we talked about in a previous Kiwi dollar video, and the market is starting to push lower again. So I do expect the Kiwi dollar to head back towards this 6,700 level. So looking at the two charts together, the euro dollar and the New Zealand dollar, what we can see is the fact that the Euro USD is at support. Kiwi US dollar is heading towards an area of support as well. Okay, so to me, what we could be seeing is the Euro move higher, okay, or find some kind of relief, and the New Zealand dollar move lower. So what that means is if we go to our chart of Euro Kiwi, we should expect to see this market move higher, because if the Kiwi is going to get weaker, you should see this price move higher. If the euro gets stronger, we should see this price move higher. Okay, so this is why I'm looking at this chart in particular. And what do I notice about this chart? Now, if we just look at it from a technical point of view, the market made a low in December 2018, and we've struggled to kind of punch below that. It's almost like you know, if the institutions were long at this point in here, stop losses would be below the low. We found the liquidity, and potentially we could move to the upside there. Okay, just going to remove all those. So to me, looking at this, it's almost like the market fell quite significantly. We bounced into those lows where we talked about shorting before on Euro Kiwi. We dropped all the way down, but the move down hasn't been as aggressive as this move through November and October. It's actually just been a lot of stop starting here, and now we're kind of consolidating at these lows. So if I just jump into a daily chart, what we're actually looking at is the fact that the market is forming a nice little inverse head and shoulders pattern where we form the left shoulder, the head, and potentially looking at the right shoulder here. So what I'm really looking at is the fact that we could break out of this head and shoulders pattern, or inverse head and shoulders pattern, look for the pullback in, and look to trade this significantly higher. And my targets are going to be sitting right around up into this 1.71 area, which is just where we see the market spike up into here. See all those lows interacting with that point as well. So I do feel that if we get above around about that 6650, 1.6650, we could see some potential upside to come out of this move as the Kiwi dollar continues to weaken. Okay, so Euro Kiwi is high on the watch list. Again, wait for the breakout, wait for the confirmation, as this market still technically is in a consolidative pattern. We need to see confirmation before doing anything here. If you're watching on YouTube, please like and subscribe. If you're watching here on TradingView, give us a follow. Comment below, how would you take this trade, or would you even be looking at this market in the first place? I hope you enjoyed the breakdown. It's been John Kibler, head currency analyst at Blueberry Markets, and I'll speak to you soon.